Hello viewers, welcome to Panchmat Ghosh. Today we will visit Dubai Expo 2020 with Jitendra Singh Pichanot, a Karoli born global citizen and a true son of the soil. Known for its wide roads and regulated traffic, the city of Dubai abounds with skyscrapers, which include the world's tallest building Burj Khalifa. Characterized by its luxury and commerce, Dubai is symbolized by its skyscrapers, luxury shopping, world class hotels, beaches, ultra modern architecture, and a vibrant nightly scene. The intricate network of roads in Dubai is in itself an astonishing scene where overbridges abound to ease the presence of the traffic. The black asphalt on the meandering roads gives the impression of a black cobra creeping on its winding course. And this is the place where a World Expo named as Dubai Expo 2020 is currently being hosted. Inaugurated on October 1, 2021, the expo will last until March 31, 2022 for a period of whole 6 months. 192 countries of the world are participating in this gigantic expo. A visit to this expo will familiarize us with the culture and traditions of the various participating countries. The theme of the expo is connecting minds, creating the future. The expo has three sub themes as well: opportunity, mobility, and sustainability. Let's have a glimpse of the entertainment in the expo.
وأمشي بعيش عالم قصص تروى والحكا يقرا توليا
Sharing his experiences of the Expo 2020, the globetrotter citizen of our country, Jitendra Singh Pichanot, simply gets overwhelmed. The young peripatetic traveler Jitendra Singh Pichanot is regarded as a brand ambassador of Indian culture and education in African countries. In this expo, he lost himself completely and wished from the depths of his heart the same developmental heights and prosperity as he witnessed in Dubai to take place in India. The Indian pavilion in this expo is a four level structure that showcases India's prowess as a global leader. Space, culture, heritage, technology are the defining pillars of the Indian pavilion. The Indian pavilion at the expo is being represented by Vedanta Resources. The main site of Dubai Expo 2020 is more than 1000-acre area located between the cities of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. According to the Associated Press, the expo is one of the world's first global events in the pandemic world. Originally scheduled for 20 October 2020 to 10 April 2021. It was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. The Dubai Expo 2020 is the representative of the whole world. The mummies of Egypt and the replicas of the important sites from all over the world are fascinating ones. The heritage buildings, royal palaces, ruins of the yester ages are great attractions for the visitors from all over the world. An Indian visitor will be delighted to see, among other things, the representations of the Amer Fort of Rajasthan. At the expo, one feels like being at home in an alien country. The interactions with people from every part of the world is a great experience. We get to know each other from close quarters and familiarize with the culture and tradition of the other countries. Let's have another look at the colorful festivities taking place in the expo. And thus, here ends our visit to the Dubai Expo 2020 with Jiten Singh Pichanoth. We are proud to have a Karolian representing our country in global festivals like this one. Panchmat Udghosh wishes Jiten Singh a bright future and foresees many such participations in events of international importance by this young visionary leader. I hope you like this episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Panchmat Udghosh. Thank you very much.